The answer is quite simple, because I could not find a book like this. When I started to dig into the crypto asset concept, it was because I had one of my clients, a fund, who was requesting a study about the blockchain. It was about 4 years ago. My job is to be head of research for a pool of investors. When I started to work on this study, trying to summarize the potentiality of the blockchain and how it could disrupt the entire society, I discovered that there was a lot of content, but it was completely spread all around the internet. So I was desperately seeking one book which could summarize exactly in 300 pages with as much text as diagram and graphics everything you need to know from an investor point of view to understand this new asset class. Where is the valuation? Is it only speculation? How can it disrupt the whole society with decentralization? How can I calculate the value of a crypto asset? Are the valuation model exactly the same as with stock options or commodities or securities? What's the regulation? How safe is it? Should I open some kind of hardware cold wallet? How does it work? Playing on a crypto exchange is the same as on a stock exchange? Could I get all the answers on one book, only one big document that I can read during one full week with everything perfectly referenced, all the sources? This kind of book was simply not existing. Written by an investor for investors. That's what I try to do. Well, it's not a project anymore, because the book is finished and printed now. Here it is. 300 pages, fully designed by an awarded agency. It's just waiting for you to buy it now. You go on the website and just have to fill the form. We deliver worldwide. So, obviously not. It would sound quite weird to speak about the blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and how this new asset class could disrupt the society with decentralization, and on the same time try to sell it with one of the GAFAM. It's not logical. So for ideological reason, I decided not to put that on Amazon and not to work with them. Well, considering the fact that trading is part of a portfolio management, whether stock or crypto, yes, we speak about trading in the book. But that's not only this. I also speak about how you have to manage your portfolio from a rebalancing point of view, how you have to calculate valuation to get long-term return on investment on some kind of crypto asset, which kind of valuation model you can use, how you can make your crypto keeping safe on a hardware wallet, all this kind of stuff. So from a trading point of view, it's speaking about technical analysis, but not chartism, because I do not believe in this. So it's a book which speaks about trading, but not only that. Not really. This book has been designed for people who are seeking to invest a little bit of money in crypto and create and manage their own portfolio. You do not have to be an expert in mathematics, for example, or be an expert in finance to understand the concept in this book. Sometimes, very few times, it might dig a little bit too much, but you don't have to understand everything. 99% of this book is made for people who need to start from quite zero level and come to the level of a capable investor in 300 pages. That's how I designed it. If I had to quote someone, it would probably be Michael Burry. You know, the real man behind the story of the movie The Big Short. I don't believe in anything unless I understand it in and out. Well, that's the main question, and a lot of people is asking me this question all day. But I think to build an answer, we have a very good book with interesting facts inside. So first fact, we have the information about a company called Facebook with 2.7 billion users that is probably working on launching its own crypto. The name might be the Global Coin between this year, 2019 and 2020. This would open the market for 2.7 billion users and probably lead to a massive adoption for cryptocurrencies. What we know is that we have a company called Fidelity Investment with $6.8 trillion asset under management and 26.7 million brokerage accounts in the US. And Fidelity Investment announced the launch and is currently running Fidelity Digital Asset Services, which aim is, I quote, to create a full Fidelity Digital Asset Service enterprise grade for storing, trading and servicing eligible digital assets, meaning 26.7 new clients and users being able to buy crypto. What we know is that since the last weeks, the Bitcoin price went from $4.5 thousand to more than 8,000. I think this information could help you, but there is much more in this book to build your answer. Yes, of course, and that's also the reason why I decided to write this book in English. It has been copy edited and proofread by a London agency, especially for that. You just have to go to the website and you can order right now. So thank you very much for listening to this video. I hope I did convince you and that you will give it a try and order the book. If you have any critiques or any comment, I would be glad to read it. You can contact me at fred@thecrypto.mba. And to stay aware about the crypto world, just follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our newsletter. Thank you.